can't find kids.
Right, but is this really quality of education, or is it about politics and trying to get another, so-called religious freedom case in front of the Supreme
Civilization is incongruent or in opposition to also having education as sources of James Carville's alleged in her business for people to do what I do. You are not to sit on some analytics. I do not believe in burning books. I strongly believe in the First Amendment. I have no interest in restricting any information. And I strongly reject the ad hominem attack. We could disagree on this, but I'm not
For the record, I have not heard talking
He's become a senile old man too. Like what a disgrace, and they keep dragging him out. Maybe LSU crap, which is like randomness for him. It's like the adult randomness for James all this. It's like, why? Why is it always the LSU stuff? You know that people who actually went to LSU are like, can you just stop wearing all the LSU stuff? You make us look like idiots. Like, I know there's somebody out there that went to LSU who's like, just stop it. Wow, that guy, he looks like an angry old man, doesn't he?
And he clearly is one. I mean, Shannon Pope and Nicole and Caitlin Brown sort of looks between them. So here is Caitlin along with Ellie Honig about
establishment of religion. State entities can't do things that endorse any particular religion or religiosity in general. And if you look at those things, there are some, I know one of the defenses is, well, these are themes that are consistent throughout civilized society, throughout religion. I'll not kill, for cheating, because I'm looking. But, don't kill, don't rob, don't steal, that kind of thing. But there are some commandments that are inherently religious. Observe the Sabbath day. In 1980, there was a case out of Kentucky. The Supreme Court, almost the exact same facts, and the Supreme Court said unconstitutional.
So, okay, so then we take the triplex down, too. Some of them are really listen, I just, like I said, I don't really have a problem with it. It's so small. These kids, especially, like, I have a baby, so she probably would be like, this is cool, but anybody who surrounds her and doesn't believe in God, you wouldn't even notice it on the wall. It's so small. I don't know. I had a problem with this. I like that.
Any school that wants to display it, I am more power to you. I don't like the government wiring public schools. Separation of church and state line, and I feel like and then some of government getting itself involved. Stop. You know what I mean?
But I also get sick of like the of that and like we're supposed to just deal with that because it that has loud everywhere, and I get so tired of that too. I'm over that, just really over it. So it's I think we're starting to see a pendulum swing, and I'm okay with the pendulum swing. It may be that it's kind of going a little bit too far to the other side, but I'm a little bit okay. I like the pushback.
Oh my god.
It's nice to see a little bit of pushback. Maybe it's not the right kind of pushback, but we need to have some pushback. You know, society in general. I feel like a lot of this is spiritual warfare, and that's the way that Andrew says the Alphabet Soup Church is the biggest cult of all. No doubt about that. Yesterday, I owe you all. Should we apologize? I mean, Republicans freed the slaves. So
That's true. And it was the Democrat slave owners in the South who were like not telling the slave owners. There had to be a
Do they know? Is somebody going to tell us?
Oh, no.
For reparations. It was Dorothy Tillman that introduced me to Dr. Claude Anderson. Black labor is committed to driving reparations home. And we're going to invest $500,000 into the study of restoration and reparations.
Oh, no.
His job was his company was closed. So, but not it doesn't that doesn't mean every company was closed. So this because she was working for.
Meow. Meow.
She's not playing. It's just crazy.
Oh, no.
You moron.
I just reject this whole. It's an entitlement mentality that's been taught by people who tell these folks because of the color of your skin you're entitled to money. It's such a hustle. It's such a grift. I just reject it. People who have been.
Ow.
Vile. Janine D over on Locals said, June what? See what you did there? Pretending it doesn't exist. That is an option. Sticky reparations paid in full. And Marilyn Air on Venmo said, sorry if this was already brought up, but is it a requirement in Alabama schools to say the Pledge of Allegiance? One nation under God. What is the difference? I don't know. I can't imagine students are forced to say that. It would be really weird, I think, and I don't think that they're required to say it. Like students aren't required to stand or say it. I think it's usually
But you know what? The kids that don't, what's wrong with you?
no, they clearly have like shit parents.
Yeah, and you know that there are kids that don't, and I'm judging you. I'm judging you, and I'm judging your parents. You don't stand for the parents.
So speaking of Juneteenth, there is another woman who wants to tell you, like, if you want to be an ally and you don't want to cause on Juneteenth, pay up. Pay us
That video, thousands of comments, tons of shares. Thank you for everyone who shared the video. But I also negative feedback from the things that someone said to me. Suggestions involve spending money. So if you are calling yourself an ally, you say you want to be anti-racist, you want to be anti-racist lifestyle. Economic empowerment, redistribution of funds, your own personal donations part of your where your mouth is.
No. Nope. I don't owe you a damn cent, lady.
Nope, not
No.
one
And
single cent.
And listen, I like nobody has given me.
Oh no, I hope I don't fall.
I've done everything on my own. So I don't feel entitled. My kids don't feel entitled. So I don't. When I hear that, it just drives me crazy. It drives me crazy. Can you show it?
Yeah.
Can you show it?
Lisa
Lisa Bay.
Bay. I don't know. But she said that the entitlement mentality was most of this country's problems for
Oh my gosh.
several decades.
Can you agree 100%? I absolutely agree with you. That's such a great theory.
Yeah. Thank you, Lisa Bay. And Shelly, thank you. Shelly says, did someone hold a record of make her work for the White House?
There are plenty of black people who own businesses.
Or start a company.
In America, you can do that.
Foo Baldwin's
No, no.
What the?
No. Shelly, thank you. He says she just described the Democratic Party in the South. Yep. And Lisa, it's be he. Be he. I love it. Not
Mimi!
love it. All right.
それもだ。
talk about, except that she is sick and tired, as she should be, about people who don't agree with school choice. Because if anything is going to help lift minority kids out of it is school choice. And send their kids to figure out all of them
Palo Alto, California. Palo Alto High that looks like a small version
When you're condemning those children to not be able to by the state. So if you want to say influence,
Preach it, Mandy. I like her.
I owed him up.
I don't know how old she is. I think she's, isn't she a little bit older? Like a hair
Hair or two older.
I would have loved to have been in the sorority with her at the same time. We would have totally gone to Vegas.
John Newbaum mentioned this earlier. This is a story that I can't believe that the news was going to report it.
Huh?
Exciting edition joins 27 other cities. Are we sure this is some kind of fake
Oh my god, it's so true. Yeah, why? Why? Because you know there are gay guys in the NFL. I'm sure there are. I'm sure.
What is the problem?
Yeah, what is the problem? Just be gay and play in the NFL. What's the big deal? It's why do you have to be gay? What is it? Are the locker rooms?
People are saying that years old. I don't know how that's
Good.
right.
She looks amazing. How?
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah.
Depending on the gender of the person.
God, I love this. That is the most fantastic thing ever. Oh my God. I love it. Well, it's depending on the gender, because there are two. There are two.
Huh?
Same moments of protest and psychosis. And compare them to various animals.
Oh, I love this. This is so great.
I see shit. I owed him up. No.
Totally the goat. Totally.
NANI?
Yes. Rabid. Completely rabid. Yes. All of them were kind of
No.
mean to the animals.
No.
Beta supporters. Okay, so you guys have probably seen this nail salon. The greatest ad.
We showed the one.
We showed the ad for the nail salon, but we're going to show it again because this is the greatest nail salon ever. But then after, there's this new thing, nail salon. This guy, the nail salon, doesn't have to another ad too. They're so great. There's like follow-up ads. I need. So I can't really technically go to the nail salon, but I would if I could. And then there's a new thing in nail salons. But they're doing karaoke at nail salons.
I owed him up.
I don't know. I started going down the rabbit hole of different nail salons around the country doing karaoke, and one that was singing Rihanna. Umbrella. And I was like,
Harper, that looked good.
they bring the little karaoke box to you so you can like take your turn and do your karaoke. And I'm like, okay. I mean,
No.
right. Anyway, so there's the first clip is the ad, which is a reminder of how awesome. And the second one is karaoke.
Walk away. Between my pedicured toes, I'm gonna need to move around on the stage. Okay, where's my mic? That is mock. Now me, on the other hand, I don't know. I probably enjoying the show.
If you
I would be a pimp. I would totally be a pimp. I just cannot. Like, this is what they're doing. Nobody can clap. I know, right? They can't. They're like seals in the background.
remember when Nicole Kidman clapped like this and everybody lost their minds?
Yes, I just think this is so funny. Like that. This is what they're doing now in nail salons, which I'm
Okay, Wrigley.
The only time you see a Biden flag is if it says F Joe Biden. Let's go.
Ella va bien.
I can tell we're just a little bit over time. We're gonna do a today.
Huh?
These people are and local. Okay, so here is what they decided to do to Stonehenge.
Oh my God.
Can you even?
What in the world?
Good morning, everyone.
Sí, buena, por un...
Fakes want to destroy things to destroy them. Yeah.
Oh my God. I would humble that guy.
I think I like this life. Somebody say something I don't like, slap. Or somebody look at me a way I don't like, slap. Somebody breathe too hard around me, slap, slap.
Que me ponga algo para que yo empiece a facturar. Porque yo tampoco voy a ir a trabajar en un supermercado, o sea, no hay forma, ¿me entendés? Porque él no me crió para eso.
Mira que te dije que China viva la llama del amor, crece y no menguar.
Which one of those are you doing?
Huh?
Really? Yeah. Exactly. Send him to Gaza. Really well there. They'd love him.
They would eat him with a spoon.
Like a giant spoon. Yeah.
The hysteria.
To something that is wildly emotional. It comes from the Greek word womb, of the womb. It is used in ancient Greek to refer to things associated with women. And I think I hope you'll forgive me if I get it. Climate emergencies are not gender neutral. The degradation of ecosystems disproportionately impacts women. And I am wildly emotional. This is the existential crisis of our time. To hear that we're asking for high ambition is climate hysteria. That makes me wildly emotional. Absolutely. My womb, the 2 children that I bore from that womb, and what future we are leaving them. I'm wildly emotional.
She